I thought I would show you what I'm doing to get ready for Snowpocalypse 2026. Normally we keep our feed in this feed shed. I did move the beet pulp into the barn just so if we get a foot of snow, we don't have to plow out the feed shed. So I moved that into the barn. We use unbeatable beet pulp, which I really like better than other kinds of beet pulp just because it soaks quicker. But I did mix in some of this. Has a mix of alfalfa pellets, flax oil, and beet pulp, just to kind of help their gut and all the things with the changing weather. And I'll probably give them extra salt with their beet pulp mashes for the storm, just to encourage them to drink. As you can see, I filled up this blue water tank. I also filled this green tub. That is a heated tub to keep it from freezing. I can plug it in the stall right around the corner so that I can make sure they have access to warm water to make the mashes with. If we lose water, we'll at least be able to thaw it. I think we can thaw it. Maybe we keep this propane heater in the barn. We could probably rig something up to melt the water just to keep the horses hydrated. So that's my plan. I'm not sure if it's a good plan, but it is the only plan, and that's what I've been working on.